Iowa, I'm sorry. Yeah, seriously, guess where we're at? Yeah, okay, so look, this is like such a good idea. I feel like we've been seeing so many like good things. Like if you're like limited on storage, like storage and stuff, that's okay. So I like love the aesthetic of this, but we're like making jokes. Like if you don't put trash bags in there and you're like if you're like on your period or something, like why? Yeah, you would obviously use it for like an office, but like, people like, oh, perfect for the bathroom. Like has all of our gross stuff in there. Guys, I love looking through this. I live at home still, and this just always makes, I can't lift that up. It always makes me want to move out because I'm like, oh my gosh, look at these perfect glass bowls. You know what I mean? Like $15 and you get 4 of them. Like I feel like that's so good. And they just like have so much fun stuff to look through, like this. You know? Gosh, like, see, I even like these. Okay, show them the white gold forks. These ones, literally, I can't pull it out, so I'm gonna pull this through. And it's $35 for a 20-piece set. I feel like that's good. Literally, these are so freaking pretty. Yeah. So that's like very gold, like this compared to silver, but there's it all three together. Oh my gosh! Look, these are like exactly the cups that you want. Yeah, so only $1. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, this one. Oh my gosh, yeah. That's so like for like flour or sugar or something. Why is there a hole on the top? Oh, it's just so you can grab it. I'm like this. I'm like torn because I love this like black bowls, but then I don't know, maybe I'll just get both. Maybe I'm just making this too difficult. But those are so freaking cute. I would decorate with pantry, too. Yeah. Organizing. Yep. Yes, ma'am. $17 though for like a big one, and you would need like a lot. I'm good, love. Look how cute those are. Okay, do you guys ever watch like well, yeah, obviously watch people's vlogs and then see something in real life and then you're like, oh yeah, this person would like this. Who do you think of when you see this? Maybe a little more pinky. And who do you have?
Aspinova.
Yeah, I feel like she would go for that, except those aren't really, we just thought of her. So still walking around. I love going to new Targets.
Yeah,
it's the best.
We love looking around new Targets.
You guys, I love planners. Ask my sister.
Buys them, or she used to buy them.
I used to always buy planners. I don't ever write a single thing in them. I would so get this. Like if I was the type of person that needed this, I would get this and I would keep it in my purse and it would be so cute. This one's so freaking cute. Like the color of this is so pretty. And especially 2020, there's like obviously no plans to be made. Like things just keep getting ruined. Sorry.
Oh no.
Sorry. That is so freaking pretty.
This would be pretty in my room, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Would it or no? You
Yeah.
like the glass?
Oh, I do.
Like what? You hate
I don't
it?
know. I don't think it matches your room.
Well, I kind of want to do gold now, not all silver.
Oh.
Mix some metals.
Oh. That one reminds me of SML XO. This is the Target we came to. It's in like a different area than
Gorgeous.
like where we live. It's pretty. It's a nice day out. You guys, this street, it's called Spruce Goose. There's our mall. Those are just office buildings. It's like an outdoor mall.
We always show like the worst parts of Vegas.
I would think it would be so cool to live in there.
Next to the mall.
Yeah, literally be right next to the mall. You're in like a really good part of Vegas. Some of the buildings have like these corner windows.
The huge windows.
Trees. Okay, look how pretty it is. Look how pretty that is. Look.
Gorge.
And that's the view of the strip if you have those corner ones.
Try and find shade, but there's not that much because the trees are so little.
Oh, over here on the right. Straight ahead, baby.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. This is what you love in Vegas. This is what you fight over.
You do. This is what you die for.
Yeah.
Show that one.
Don't the trees look pretty?
They do look really pretty. But Maddie's car, it looks small.
I want the bigger one. I'm putting it to the universe and I'm getting that car.
The lights, the vibe. Gorgeous. This is the machine I want. And I want to set it up over there, but I'm too freaking shy. Oh my gosh. Once again, on a machine that I'm too shy to do in front of all these people. I don't know if you can see them, this room's so dirty. So there's a clip at the end of this where I'm in the car and I'm showing what workout I'm doing. That's because I didn't record it. So yeah, it's kind of awkward in there, but that's just showing you what I did. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Okay guys, so this is the protein that I'm using. I just show how cute my dog looks. But it's so cute because it's just like I bought him this bed and he's just using it. Yes, hi. That's my angel. Yes. I'm gonna wash my face and really be investing in some Botox. Just like so. My nails like busted. Don't take that much. It's not a lot. I'm not like a lot. Where are your nails? Some of this. This is all I use. Quite a bit. That's it. That's it for the skincare. But yeah.